Maintaining your cat's dental health is essential, and choosing the best cat toothpaste can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll review the top cat toothpaste options that fight plaque, reduce tartar, and help prevent bad breath. Discover which formulas are gentle, effective, and designed to make brushing easy for both you and your cat. Stay tuned for expert recommendations to ensure your pet's oral hygiene stays in top shape. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vet's Best Dental Care Finger Wipes. Vet's Best Dental Treatment Finger Wipes for cats and dogs are a useful approach to give your cat dental treatment if they feel at ease with your finger in their mouth. To freshen your cat's breath and get rid of bacteria that cause odors, just apply the pre-moistened wipe to your preferred finger and swipe your cat's mouth. The finger-shaped disposable wipes in each box of Vet's Best Dental Care Finger Wipes are soaked in a plaque-fighting mixture of thyme oil, spearmint oil, and green tea extract. The mild roughness of these single-use finger wipes helps to eliminate plaque from your cat's gums and teeth. Number 2. PetSmile Professional Pet Toothpaste. One of PetSmile Professional Pet Toothpaste's special ingredients is Calprox, a proprietary encapsulated form of minerals and calcium peroxide. Plaque, germs, and stains adhere to the protein pellicle, a thin biofilm that grows on the surface of teeth, but the peroxide removes it. This not only helps your cat's breath better, but it also makes removing plaque easier, because the minerals calcium, magnesium, and phosphates provide the building blocks that give dental enamel its strength. They aid in the process of remineralizing tooth enamel. PetSmile is available in 3 flavors: cheddar, rotisserie chicken, and London broil. Both parabens and the plastic chemical BPA are absent. In addition, it is vegan and gluten-free. PetSmile is manufactured in the U.S. using ingredients that are fit for human consumption. You can use it with or without a cat toothbrush, and you don't have to stop eating or drinking after using it. Number 3. Sentry Petrodex Veterinary Strength Dental Kit. A plastic toothbrush, an enzymatic toothpaste, and a silicone finger brush are all included in the Sentry Petrodex Veterinary Strength Malt Toothpaste Dental Care Kit for cats. This 2.5-ounce toothpaste tube has ingredients that are quite similar to those of the considerably more costly Verbac CET enzymatic dog and cat toothpaste, which you may find elsewhere in this roundup. Enzymes derived from fungal fermentation are used in Sentry Petrodex enzymatic toothpaste. The resultant enzymes are a range of proteins that interact with the plaque on your cat's teeth in a biochemical way, particularly when combined with the abrasive components of Petrodex toothpaste, such as silica and the polishing agent dicalcium phosphate, which is present in some whitening toothpaste. This can be a potent teeth cleaning. Number 4. Verbac CET enzymatic toothpaste. Enzymatic toothpaste contains some naturally occurring enzymes, a type of protein, that facilitate a spontaneous chemical reaction. Toothpaste commonly contains the enzymes lactoperoxidase, lysozyme, lactoferrin, mutinase, and dextrinase. Some eradicate certain types of bacteria, while others prevent plaque from hardening or sticking to teeth. Having been in the veterinary home dental care industry for more than 25 years, Verbac is well known. The dual enzyme system of the Verbac CET enzymatic toothpaste range is made up of lactoperoxidase and glucose oxidase. The fungus Aspergillus niger contains glucose oxidase, which increases the production of hydrogen peroxide in the mouth, a natural whitener with antimicrobial qualities. This toothpaste offers an extra boost of lactoperoxidase, an essential enzyme that helps get rid of bad breath. Mammals' salivary glands naturally release this enzyme to fight germs and viruses. This toothpaste's primary ingredient is sorbitol, a sweetener with few calories. Most toothpaste contain sugar and sweeteners to make the paste more appetizing for dogs. As cats lack taste buds that can detect sweetness, this toothpaste uses silica as its abrasive and has no foaming chemicals. Its other ingredients are straightforward, well-known, and safe for pets to ingest in moderation. Number 5. OxyFresh Dental Gel Pet Toothpaste. Most cats can withstand the bland taste of OxyFresh's Dental Gel Pet Toothpaste, which is free of flavor and odor. Additionally, it is cruelty-free, meaning that no animals are used in testing. The paste is less likely to aggravate your cat because it is produced with natural components like chamomile and aloe and doesn't contain artificial dyes. You can use the toothpaste every day, but even if you can only use it 3 times a week, your cat's oral health will still improve. Buildup is removed, breath is freshened, and sensitive gums are soothed by the pet-safe gel. Usually the toothpaste comes with a finger brush, but you can also use a cat toothbrush. Apply the gel on your cat's paw and let them lick it off, or spread the paste directly onto the tip of your finger to clean your cat's teeth. Although any method is helpful, it is best to apply directly to your cat's teeth. OxyFresh has been manufacturing dental care products for dogs and cats in the United States since 1984, despite the fact that this product does not have the VHOC's approval. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.